Hi, my name is Nate McCullough on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this clip, we're going to talk about separating the connection between the strut and the suspension knuckle. Now, depending upon how old the vehicle is and what kind of weather conditions it's operated in or under, this connection here may be extremely corroded. Sometimes they even stamp a toothy surface into the knuckle so that when the strut is squeezed down on it, it'll make a really solid connection. Now what you're going to want to do is, I have my 4-foot Mac pry bar here. You're going to want to insert it between the strut and the suspension knuckle and pretty much just pry it apart like so. However, ours has rusted completely in half and is free swinging.